full-blown political war over the government's decision to scrap the English section from the UPSC prelims. While the Congress has called the move illogical, Samajwadi Party is accusing the centre now of completely mismanaging the situation. In fact, emboldened by the wrong precedent, students now want the aptitude test scrapped as well.
Government is of the opinion that the Civil Services Preliminary Examination Paper 2, the marks of the question section on English language comprehension skills should not be included for gradation or merit.
Despite the government announcing changes in CSAT, protesters are still not satisfied and are demanding scrapping of the aptitude test.
परीक्षा का डेट जो 24 अगस्त है आप उसको स्थगित करें और दूसरा को डेट लाएं, क्योंकि हम लोग पिछले 2 माह से इस आंदोलन में प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, जिसके कारण हम मानसिक स्तर पे तैयारी करने के और ना ही परीक्षा देने के लिए काबिल है।
लगातार हमारा प्रदर्शन लगातार जारी है और जारी रहेगा और बृहद स्तर पे होने वाला है।
But the government is sticking to its stand that the CSAT is now language neutral.
Language neutral means the entire question paper should be based on objectivity, subjectivity, imagination, competence, comprehension, not related to language. This was the meaning of the language neutral.
Not convinced, the Congress is accusing the government of buckling under pressure.
Mr. Trivedi, why did they not accept the expert panel's recommendation? Trivedi ji, why did you not accept Arvind Verma's recommendation, which said that the CSAT is scientific?
But parties like the Samajwadi Party, which opposed English in CSAT, are justifying themselves.
Let us not confine the language Hindi to only UP. There is a Hindi belt, then there are persons who have other languages as mother tongue. I am speaking for all of them. I am only saying don't make the exam so skewed that only persons who are proficient in English are able to pass it.
Yet many feel the government move will tilt the scales in favour of the Hindi-speaking and put students from non-Hindi states at a disadvantage.
The attempt to weaken English as a linked language, I think, will weaken the very fabric of integrated India, in my view.
While the anti-English lobby may have won, protesters who were demanding scrapping of CSAT may have to take the government decision with a pinch of salt. Bureau Report, Times Now.